instruction in Downers Grove School District 58, and this is a walkthrough of the report we would receive for a child who's completed the AIMSweb Early Literacy. We're looking at a first grader here. We can tell we have data from a kindergarten, fall, winter, and spring, as well as first grade. And we're looking at letter name fluency, letter sound fluency, phoneme segmentation fluency, and nonsense word fluency. As you can see, this AIMSweb reports for kindergartens and first graders gives us report information on all 4 benchmark areas. When you look at this is a lot of data here, and each time your child takes a new test, we will get more data on your child. The circle on the report is what your child's score is. Now we can see that in fall of kindergarten, this child scored a 39, and the dot matches that. The green is the 25th percentile, 50th percentile is the middle line, and 75th percentile of Puffer School kindergartners during that time. So we can see that this child who scored a 39 at this time in letter name fluency, he knew 39 of his sounds, or his names to the letters, was near the top, or between the 50th and 75th percentile in letter name fluency. This line right here is the national 50th percentile of letter name fluency. So what we can see that the Puffer average, the 50th percentile Puffer, is well above the national average, and that we can see that this child who scored at 39 was well above both Puffer and the school average. The blue line here is the between 75th and 90th percentile of students at Puffer, and the orange line here is between the 10th and 25th percentile of students at Puffer. So we can see that this child did relatively well. We can see in the next month, or when they took the test in the winter, that they regressed. They moved from 39, knowing and being able to name 39 of the capitals and small letters, to knowing 31 when they were assessed. This dropped them below the national average, the Puffer average, and quite frankly below the 10th percentile of Puffer students. But we can see that he continued to progress and make gains in this subject. Once again, when you're looking at the early literacy piece, you will know which test your child's looking at by letter name fluency, letter sound fluency, phoneme segmentation fluency, and nonsense word fluency. You will know their score by the dot. You will know the school average by the line in the green box. You will know the national average by this larger line that may or may not be in the green box. You'll know the 10th to 25th percentile by the orange or bottom whisker, the 25th to 50th percentile, the bottom half of the box, the 50th to 75th percentile, the top half of the box, the 75th percentile to the 90th percentile by the whisker on top, in order to identify. In addition, you'll be able to look at the child's actual scores, how AIMSweb rates the skill, and what AIMSweb recommends in terms of instruction. I hope this has been helpful to you. Have a wonderful day.